Now let us come to addition and subtraction on a number line. Okay, let us understand addition and subtraction of integers on a number line. For this, we have to follow certain rules. Now let us understand the rules first. Now let's come to the first, that is rules of addition. In the first case, when we want to add positive numbers, okay, when we want to add positive numbers, in that case, always when we want to add positive numbers, always move to the right of the number line in case of adding positive numbers. So when we have addition of positive numbers, in that case we have to move right of the number line. In the second case, when we want to add negative numbers, in that case we need to move towards the left. So move left. So in case of rules of addition, when we want to add positive numbers, we'll move to the right, and when we want to add negative numbers, we'll move to the left. Similarly, in case of subtraction, first, when we want to subtract a positive number, we'll need to move towards the left. And when we want to subtract a negative number, we need to move towards the right. So these are the rules you need to follow in case of adding and subtracting numbers on a number line. Let me repeat it once again. In rules of addition, when we want to add positive numbers, we need to move to the right. When we want to add negative numbers, we'll move to the left. Similarly, in case of subtraction, when we want to subtract positive numbers, we'll move to the left, and we want to subtract negative numbers, we'll move to the right. Let us make you understand with the help of an example. We are taking the first rule of addition. In that case, we have seen that when we want to add a positive number, okay? So we'll draw this. So here we want to add 4 to 3, so we'll start from 3. And since we know that when we want to add a positive number, we move to the right. So we'll start from 3 and we'll move 4 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, your answer will be 7. So we understand that when we add a positive number to a number, then we move to the right. Let's come to the next, second rule of addition. So here, what we are doing is, we want to add minus 3 to this 5. So when we want to add negative number, what we do is, we move to the left. So we'll start from 5, and here we have 3. So from 5, we'll move 3 places to the left. When we move 3 places to the left, we get 2 as the answer. So when we add positive number, we need to move to the right, and when we add negative number, we move to the left. Now let us come to subtraction. Suppose we want to subtract a positive number from a given number. So according to the rule, when we want to subtract a positive number from a negative number, we want to subtract a positive number from a number, we will move to the left. So we'll start from 9, and since it is plus 5 here, we'll move 5 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ultimately, we'll get 4 as the answer. So when we want to subtract a positive number, then what we'll do is, we'll move to the left. Similarly, let's come to the second rule of subtraction. And here, we want to subtract a negative number from a given number. So what I have taken is, I have taken 6 and I have taken minus 2, and we want to subtract these two numbers. So here we want to subtract minus 2 from this number. So here what we'll do is, we'll start from 6. We'll start from 6 here. And according to the rule, when we want to subtract a negative number from a number, we'll move to the right. So we have 6 here. We'll move 2 places to the right. 1, 2. So ultimately, you'll get plus 8 as the answer. So remember the rules. When we want to add a positive number, we move to the right. When we want to add a negative number, we move to the left. Similarly, when we come to subtraction, when we want to add a positive number, we move to the left. And when we want to add a want to subtract a negative number, we move to the right. So this is the rules we follow in addition and subtraction of integers on a number line. And this is how you will work out the problems. And please work out the problems from the exercises given. Thank you for today.